Hello everyone, welcome to the Security channel. In this video, we are going to take a problem from Berkeley Math Tournament from 2021. This problem came from the calculus typebreaker. Let's see what we have here. We have an integral. The integral includes 4 terms. All these terms have a variant of tan to the power of a number. The first one is tan of x to the power of a plus 3, and we have tan to the power of a plus 2, and then a plus 1, and then a as you are seeing here. We know that a is an integer and a positive one. We are going to find this integral based on a. But first, let's take a look at the original problem as described in the competition, and then we will deep dive into the solution. Here is the problem. We know that a is a positive integer. We're going to find the integral itself in terms of a, and we don't need to include plus c in the final answer. Now it's time to talk about the solution. The first thing that I'm going to do is to simplify the expression itself. We have tan to the power of a plus 3, a plus 2, a plus 1, and a. I'm going to consider the two of them together and the other two together. The one that I'm going to consider together is the one that I have in yellow, and the other ones are in red, and they will be considered together. For tan to the power of a plus 3 and tan to the power of a plus 1, I'm going to factor out tan to the power of a plus 1 to have tan squared of x plus 1 as the common factor. I'm going to use the same thing, but instead of factoring out tan to the power of a plus 1 of x, I'm going to factor out tan to the power of a of x. Then you will see the expression that we have here. Now I'm going to just write 1 plus tan squared of x as secant of x to the power of 2. Then I'm going to take out this common expression from both terms that you have here, and now I have 3 terms. The first term is a multiplicative term, and I have tan to the power of a plus 1 of x plus tan to the power of a of x, and I need to take the integral of the expression that you are seeing here now. Now, the trick here is to use a new variable like u for tan of x. If you get the derivative, you're going to see that d of u equals to power of 2 of secant of x dx. Now, we have secant squared of x dx. That's going to be d of u, and then the rest is going to be power of a plus 1 of u and power of a of u. Integral of this function is really easy. We will end up with u to the power of a plus 2 over a plus 2 plus u to the power of a plus 1 over a plus 1, and then we just replace tan of x instead of u, and you will end up with the final answer, and that's our final solution. Remember, we didn't want to include the constant c for the final answer. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the content that we have in this video. If you would like to see more puzzles, math involved activities, and problems from different math competitions, please subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.